Hey guys, do you ever have GTA San Andreas with Clio mod menu and you do all the steps right, but suddenly when you swipe down you see the Clio menu empty and doesn't have cheats or what we'll call scripts? So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to fix GTA San Andreas Clio menu no cheats showing. So like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, so let's get onto it. Important reminder, if you downloaded your GTA San Andreas from this website, in the screen click my link on the comment section, or if you downloaded it from a whole different website, search for GTA SA Clio scripts or search another video in YouTube that has a Clio script link on the comment section or description of their video.